Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do a unboxing of, guess what, AC Beauty. Another opportunity. I don't know how. I think because they see me having other brand opportunities, they're like, alright, ever since who? Good Molecules sent me stuff, I think. Then Dr. Brand sent me stuff. Merit Beauty, big brands that have like the check mark on Instagram. They have a lot of followers, and it's just so cool. Like, I can't get over it still. Like, I don't know, it's weird. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. So this brand is called Ace Beauty. This is a makeup company. They reached out to me last month or so, and it was weird because they sent me a link to choose products and it didn't work, and I told them, hey, it doesn't work, and then they never sent me a message back. I was like, okay, I guess. And then a month later, like, was it a few days ago, last week, I reached out to them again, and then I told them, and they're like, oh, sorry, and they sent me the correct link. So then I finally got to choose the products that I wanted, and then they shipped it really fast. Like, what, few days after, I was shocked that I got it today. I'm just gonna open it. So. That's the box. It's big. So. Yeah, that's their logo and their palette. I used to use their palette a lot, the vintage stomp palette, and it's really pretty and amazing. It's the perfect fall palette, but anyways, I chose a colorful palette. It was hard because they have a lot of options, and I was like, but y'all know me, I had to choose blues and greens. So yeah, this is a card. Ooh, stay tuned, something is coming, ... I wonder what. How cool is it? Okay, so they added extra stuff, I think. They made me choose one eyeshadow palette, one pair of lashes, and one lip product. It could be liquid lipstick, lip gloss, lips, anything. The first thing is this. I don't know what it is. I think it's something extra. They don't sell it. I don't know. Because AOA Studio is the brand from shopmissa, so they probably just added to be extra. I think it's for your head. Oh, so your makeup won't get messed up. Like, you use it as a headband, maybe. I don't know. It's interesting because it has like this. I forgot the name of it. My gosh, I took a fashion class in high school and I forgot. Velcro? Girl, I forgot. Anyways, that's that. And this is new. I didn't know they had cups. Oh, that's their logo. And then it says beauty for... Oh, wow. I probably use it for brushes because I don't have space. I'm using like a bag, Ipsy glam bag, to hold all like brushes. Girl, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna use it to drink. But yeah, that's cool. So next are these lashes. Wow, they're so tiny. So these are the ones that I chose. It was hard. Okay, let me open the plastic. Okay, to get out of the plastic, they're natural but not at the same time. They had supernatural, more dramatic. I choose the one in between. So that's that. The next product, this is the Pout Perfect liquid lipstick. I chose a liquid lipstick because I love liquid lipstick. Like, they last long, and I don't know, I just like it better as of now. So this is in the shade Applause. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, so it slides in the bottom. So it's like a nude orange terracotta shade. It was hard. I didn't know which one to choose. I wanted to choose like a mauve one. Wow, it looks so like royal, like fancy and expensive. It's the shade, it's like a nude orange shade. Look how cool it is. I want to take pictures first, so I don't want to open it and ruin it, but whatever, I'm just gonna do it. So this is the wand. It's a good wand. It's tiny. It smells like any liquid lipstick. It looks really orange now that I'm looking at it. I hope it looks good on me. We'll see. So yeah, that's that. So, oh, the straw. Oh yeah, the palette is the thing that I'm most excited about because I love palettes. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay, this is the Oceanic Palette. I've seen this on Instagram and I was like, ugh, I just had to have it. So this is their packaging. It's black. Oops. Wow, they're big. I thought they were gonna be small. So they have a plastic. Look. So pretty. Look. Ay, se me cae todo. So I have the fan on. So. Look how beautiful. It's blues and greens. It's my favorite colors. I just need a more yellow or in the red. I love those colors as well, but it will match the vibe. It's oceanic. So. I love these periwinkle shades and like the dark shade. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this palette, and I love that the pants are big. It's really pretty. I can't get over it. They have like a bunch of other palettes. So yeah. And it reminded me last year I think they added my makeup tutorial, a makeup reel on Instagram, and their Instagram shopping tab. It said like a notification that, hey, Ace Beauty wants to add you or something, tag you. And I accepted it, and I thought it was a regular picture, but no, it was my video. They put it in their shop. So, you know, on Instagram there's like a specific shop tab, like you add products, you can add people's poster and video, and they added me there. I was shocked. I was like, wow, I don't even have 10K followers. I'm so shocked that a month later or years later they send me PR. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't have a discount code, so never mind. It's not PR, it's just something they gifted me just because, I don't know how. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all the palette that I always use. It's the vintage sound palette. I wanted it in the giveaways, but you see the palette, I use this a lot for fall. It's the perfect fall palette. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all the difference. Look, it's so tiny compared to this one. And I recommend this palette. This one I'm pretty sure is gonna be just as great. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, this is the palette I was using that I got featured in their shop, but I think they took it off. My video is not there anymore, so oh well, but it's fine. But yeah. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye.